Let's do some maths. So this is the question of the day. You can pause the video to do it now, or you can click below to view the whole paper. I set up my screen like so to view the question and the working beside it. Enough talk, I'll start now.
Right, another graph question, love it, but there are lots of words, oh no. So, right, I'm interested in years 78 to 79. That's 1 year actually, because when you look at the x-axis, okay. 12% of contributions allocated to scholarships. Okay, so I've got the right graph. And 12% was allocated to heating. So how much was not allocated to heating? I think the examiner has been super nice and put the not in capitals. Right, so 100 minus 12 is 88%. That's what I'm looking for. There are many ways to do this question. Some people would have found the 12%. I'm going to find the 88%. Doesn't really matter. Let's read off the graph. So that's the bar I want, and it's roughly, right, a third of the way along. A third of the way strictly is 233,333. The maths on that is awful. So I'm going to say 88%, and I'm going to estimate it as 230,000. That makes things a bit easier for me. And I'm going to show you two different ways of doing this. One is with 88% and one is with 90%. And you could, of course, do the same with 10% and 12%. I don't mind. Right, 230,000 times 88 over 100. I'm going to divide by 100 first because that's just easier. And then I've got 2,300 times 88. I do like my multiplication. I'll just do it. I think it's easier to just do it than keep trying to estimate, because I've estimated once from 233,000 to 230, so now I just have to calculate it. Brace yourself. Okay, so 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times 3 is 24, put down the 4, carry the 2. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 2 is 18. Ooh. Next, put a 0 down, then we do it again. 8 times 0 is 0, and 2 zeros, and I do that again, and I get this. I add them. 0, 0, 4. 8 plus 4 is 12, put down a 2, carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10, 0, carry the 1, 2. Right. Now I know that I slightly underestimated when I went from 233 to 300 to 230, so I'm expecting it to be D. Method 2, bring it on. I'm going to say it's 90% now. Righto, over 100. I'm going to divide by 100 because it's easier. So now I've got the 90 times 2,300. That can be written as 9 times 10 times 2,300. There you go. I'll multiply by 10 first because, yes, you guessed it, it's easier for me. And now I'm going to multiply by 9, but that's really easy. I could just say 0, 0, 0. 9 times 3 is 27, carry the 2, 9 times 2 is 14, plus 2 is not 20. 9 times 2 is 18. I'll get the maths right. Plus 2 is 20. And I know I've gone slightly over with the 90, but slightly under by going for 230. I think I'm going to go for D. And the answer is D. Always a pleasure. Keep in touch.